Stop trading with order blocks and breaker blocks in the market. You only need to trade with fair value gaps and liquidity to become an extremely profitable trader in the market. The draw on liquidity is these equal highs above. So knowing that information, we have created and we are currently respecting a bearish fair value gap. Most ICT traders are never ever interested in taking long positions from bearish fair value gaps that look like this. But actually what you should be doing is waiting for bearish fair value gaps exactly like this to be imbalanced and turned into an inversion fair value gap. So all that means is as soon as we get a candle close above this now inversion fair value gap, we can enter into a long position. Our stop loss will go if we get a candle close back below this now inversion fair value gap. Then your take profit will simply be the equal highs above. This strategy has over an 80% win rate and I trade it live every single day in my Discord. If you want to watch me trade live, make sure you join my Discord. The link is in my bio. One of my students made over $8,000 in one single trading session using my simple ICT strategy. The first thing to notice here is that we have swept sell side liquidity right here, as well as the sweeping of this sell side liquidity. We have also created a bearish fair value gap. Now, unlike most ICT traders, I don't look to short from bearish fair value gaps like this. What I actually do in the markets is I wait for a candle close above a bullish fair value gap. What this means is we now have an inversion fair value gap to the upside. As you can see, we also have equal highs that are resting above in the market. These are an extremely strong draw on liquidity. So as soon as we have a candle close above this bearish fair value gap, I can expect price action to go up. My entry will be on the candle close above this inversion fair value gap. Then my stop loss will be if we get a candle close back below this fair value gap. My take profit is simply the equal highs, and this is the 80% plus win rate trading model that I teach every single day. If you want to watch me trade live and join my trading community, make sure you do. The link is in my bio. A 100% win rate is what I had today, trading with only fair value gaps and using liquidity as my targets. We have swept sell side liquidity as well as a sweeping sell side liquidity. We are currently respecting a bearish fair value gap. Most ICT traders will see this as a market structure shift or a break of structure to the downside. I only see this as a liquidity sweep, and then I want to see this bearish fair value gap turned into an inversion fair value gap. Now all that means is as soon as we get a candle close above this bearish fair value gap, I can enter into a long position. My stop loss will be if we get a candle close back below this now inversion fair value gap. I will move my stop loss to break even as soon as we tap into the next fair value gap. Then my take profit will simply be buy side liquidity. In this instance, we have buy side liquidity resting right here in the market. I have over an 80% win rate and a 100% win rate today, and this is a simple ICT strategy that I trade. If you want to learn this strategy and watch me trade live every single day, make sure you join my Discord. The link is in my bio. These are profits from one of my students who trade my simple ICT day trading strategy. The most important lesson that you need to know when you're trading with ICT concepts is how to read price action through fair value gaps and liquidity. Now, as you can see with this price action, we are currently respecting bearish fair value gaps to the left. As well as us respecting these bearish fair value gaps, we have created a bullish fair value gap down here. Unlike most ICT traders, you will never see me longing from a bullish fair value gap. What I will actually do is I will wait for a candle close below a bullish fair value gap. What this then tells me is that this is an inversion fair value gap and we are going to take some sort of sell side liquidity. I will enter on the candle close below this fair value gap. My stop loss will be if we have a candle close back above this fair value gap. Then my take profit will simply be a sell side liquidity and I will leave a runner. This is my simple 80% plus win rate strategy I trade and teach every single day live in my Discord. If you want to watch me trade live and catch trades like this every single day, make sure you join my Discord. The link is in my bio.